Hi everyone, my name is Gokul and today I'm going to show you how to convert images to PDF in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, you need to gather all the images you want to convert into a PDF and make sure they are in the correct order as you want them to appear in the PDF. Next, select all the images. You can do this by clicking on the first image, then holding down the shift key and clicking on the last image. Once you have all your images selected, right click on any of the selected images. In the context menu that appears, select show more options and then click on print. You will see a window like this. In the print pictures window, under the printer option, make sure that Microsoft Print to PDF is selected. Then under paper size, choose a size for your PDF. The default is usually letter, but you can change this if you wish. Next, under quality, select your desired quality. Then choose how many images you want per page using this layout section. If you want each images to be a separate page in your PDF, select full page photo. In addition to these settings, there is an option called Fit Picture to Frame at the bottom of the window. If this box is checked, your images will be resized to fit the dimensions of the frame on the page. If it's unchecked, your images will maintain the original size and aspect ratio. Once you're happy with your settings, click on the print button. Then choose a location where you want to save the file and give the file a name and then click save. And that's it. That's how you can convert images to PDFs in Windows 11.